Welcome to Pont Neuf Studio. My name is Kristen, and today I will be showing you how to make a bobble stitch. This is a relatively easy stitch that gives you lots of great texture. The bobble stitch consists of 5 unfinished double crochets that are finished all at once at the end of the stitch. The description box below will have links to a bunch of patterns that use the bobble stitch. This swatch has been made up by repeating a row of single crochets with a row of bobble stitches. To begin your row of bobbles, chain 1 and turn. Yarn over and insert your hook under the front and back of the first V. Yarn over and pull through so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through the first 2 loops. This finishes your first incomplete double crochet. You will now do this 4 more times. Yarn over, pull through. You have 4 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops again so you have 3 loops on your hook. Continue repeating this until you end up with 6 loops on your hook. That will be a total of 5 unfinished double crochets. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, we will finish the double crochet by yarning over and pulling through all 6 loops. In the very next stitch, you will make a single crochet. To do this, insert your hook under the front and back of the V, yarn over, pull through. You now have 2 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through again. This really makes the bobble pop out in the front. I will now review how to make the bobble stitch one more time. To make your next bobble, yarn over and insert your hook under the front and back of the next V. Yarn over, pull through for a total of 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through again to have 2 remaining. Repeat this 5 more times until you have a total of 6 loops on your hook. Once you have 6 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 6 loops. Single crochet into the next stitch to make your bobble pop. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for more crochet tutorials.